Hey YouTube, I'm about to help you set up your garage door. So basically I have this garage door opener and I can't remember the name, but I'll put it in the description. Maybe it says right here, Chamberlain. Yeah, it's a Chamberlain. It has, I'll show you the cover so you can see if yours is exactly the same. You know, it just has these shapes right here called clicker. There's nothing inside that. And so basically I've been having a hard time trying to get this thing to program. So I'll do it again with you right now. Essentially I have a linear garage door opener, and my learn button fortunately is on the side. Sometimes they're on the inside of this, so you just have to remove the cover and the buttons will be in there and so on. So I tried this about 20 times, couldn't get it to work because I wasn't doing it fast enough. That was the problem. So I'm gonna wipe it out with you here and do it again. So basically how to reprogram this. I don't know why it just died. I think it was the battery died, and then when I replaced it, it was dead so long that it kind of screwed everything up because when I put the new battery in, it still didn't work. Incidentally, this is a 2-year battery. It says kitty on it because it's made for smoke detectors. That's just stuff stuck from the package still on it. But these are good to get because they're a 2-year battery life. Anyway, so what you have to do, I kind of put this where I can touch it at the same time. So you have to push both fingers on this until this thing starts to blink. And once it stops blinking, then you can put your code in. And you have to find on the owner's manual based on what type that you have. I don't happen to have the owner's manual with me. Again, mine's a linear, so the code is just number 1. You can just look it up. The owner's manual for this device, again, it's a Chamberlain. You can probably go to chamberlain.com to find the owner's manual. It's no big deal, but you'll need it for the ID. So the first thing you're gonna do is clear this out. That's what you do by pushing those. Once that's done blinking, you're gonna put whatever code you wanna use. So you put that in, and then you hit the pound button. Then you put your ID in, and that's specific to which garage door opener you have. Mine happens to be a 1 for a linear. So you have to do this fast, otherwise it doesn't actually work, because I tried it numerous times and it didn't work and I couldn't figure out why. So the first thing I'm gonna do is push this. You can see that it's blinking, and as soon as it's done blinking, so basically I just screwed this whole thing up now. And I'm just gonna pick a code. And then just hit the pound button. Right away, go to what your code is. See how this went black? Now, that was the part that I was screwing up. So now I just hit the learn button, and now all I have to do is hit my code again. And instead of the pound, I'm gonna hit 0. And you can see everything went dark. It's talking to it. That's still making it learn. So once this goes dark, I can just hit my code and then hit the O for open, or 0. I call it O for open. So 2015. And as you can see, garage door is opening. So what you don't want to do is wait too long. You push the 2 buttons in, it'll be blinking and let go once it stops blinking. Put your code in, whatever you want to make it. You can make it whatever. I'm going to change this after this. So, I did 2015, pound button, and then right away, don't wait for the screen or for the lights to go out. Then put your code in, pound button. Then this whole display will go dark. Then go up and push your learn button. Then come back down here, 2015 again, but instead of the pound button, you hit O for open, and then it'll start talking, back and forth to it. You'll see this blink a couple times. These lights finally, when they go out, then you put your code in again with O for open, and then it will work. So if you want, I'll do it one more time with you. just so you understand what I'm saying. So hold these, you can see it's blinking. So basically I'm wiping the whole thing out again. So I'm gonna be kind of up Schitt's Creek, excuse the language. So I'm just gonna do the same code. Pound button, don't wait for the lights to go dark. Pound button, now you see they went dark. Now you go hit that learn button and you can see that did something. These are dark, so just go right back in and do your code. And then open. And that's going dark and on, dark and on. Now it's all set. Wait for this to go dark so you can use it. Now you should be able to put your code in and it works. 2015, open. And you can see it's working. So hopefully this helps you guys. Like I said, I've been sitting here for half hour. I watched a few videos and they didn't, explain it, that you had to go quick enough. Incidentally, the other thing is, if you happen to have a genie, when you do that code thing and you hit open, you have to hit that twice for a genie. I saw one guy, he hit it 3 times, so if it doesn't work after 2, try 3. But on the paperwork, it does say you only have to hit it twice for a genie. I don't have a genie. Again, I have a linear. So I only had to hit the open once. So 2 buttons, wait till it stops blinking, put your code in, 2015, pound, right away, whatever the ID is for your linear, it's only like 1 through 9. And again, you can look up the book, find out what yours, it's based on dates and the names. If you don't want to do that, you could actually just do the whole process. I used 1, pound, then everything goes dark, push the button, come back here, 2015, open, everything's going to stay red. That's going to blink a couple times. It's going to still be red. When it goes dark, 2015, open. If you have a genie, when you're doing it, push the 2 buttons. Once it stops blinking, 2015, pound. Genie is a different number. Let's call it 5. 5, pound. And then, yeah, that's basically it. So, 5 pound, and then you'll see that blink. This will stay bright. When that stops being bright, you put your 2015 open if you had a genie, and then boom, it should work. So hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just hit me up on YouTube. I'm pretty quick responding back. And please subscribe. It does help me. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers just so I can start making anything out of the videos that I help people with. And like I said, just comment and whatever. Hope this helps. Thanks again, guys. Thanks, YouTube.